Hello, everyone, and welcome back. News headlines for School Morning Assembly to speak on 3rd July. First of all, national news. Infrashakti Awards, Adani Port CEO on how to reach $10 trillion economy. Students deserve answers. Rahul Gandhi wrote to PM. Seek debate on NEET. Justice to all, appeasement to none is our mantra. PM Modi's top quotes. NEET PG exam this month, question papers to be prepped 2 hours prior. Climate change can no longer be ignored. CJI DY Chandrachud. As Northeast faced floods during rescue operations by Air Force, Assam Rifles. Now, some international news. Halving food waste can reduce hunger for 153 million people globally, a report said. UN nations have committed to cutting per capita food waste by 50% by 2030. Rishi Shah, the co-founder of Outcome Health, jailed for 8,300 crore fraud in US. Taliban told to include women in public life at their first UN meet. Now, sports news. Riyan Parai has been rewarded with an India call-up for the upcoming T20 International Series against Zimbabwe. Andy Murray pulled out of Wimbledon singles, will still play doubles. The BCCI announced three changes to India's squad for the T20 International Series against Zimbabwe. Hockey India to host first ever Masters Cup for players aged 40 plus. Business related news. RBI proposed rationalizing regulations on export import transactions. And Sensex Nifty settled flat after hitting fresh lifetime high levels in early trade. Peak power demand may cross 400 gigawatt mark by 2031 to 32, Power Secretary said. Windfall tax on domestically produced crude oil hiked to 6,000 per ton. India's coal production rose 14% in June. And that's all in news. Thank you.